Tamagoyaki is a Japanese-style rolled omelette, often made by layering thin sheets of seasoned egg in a rectangular pan. Don't have a special tamagoyaki pan? No problem. You can easily make it using a regular round frying pan. I'll show you how to make it. First, we are seasoning 4 large eggs. Add salt, soy sauce, and mirin or sugar and mix. Next, heat a frying pan at medium-high heat and spread some oil. This is a 10-inch pan. For this recipe, 8 to 10-inch round pan works well. And pour some egg for the first layer. Make sure the pan is heated well so that egg won't stick. And you also want to use a non-stick pan. After it sets a little, gently roll by gathering the egg from one side to the other. It's the first layer, so that's okay if it looks a little bit messy. Spread some more oil using a paper towel if needed, and the other side too. And pour some more egg mixture for the second layer. Cover the bottom of the pan. Start to roll when the bottom of the egg had set and there is still liquid on top. You can use chopsticks or you can use a spatula if that makes it easier. Spread some more oil and repeat to make another layer of egg. While it may look complicated, tamagoyaki is surprisingly simple to make, and it's a beloved part of the Japanese breakfast and bento lunches. Most people actually make this at home on a regular basis, so it can't be too complicated. Repeat adding egg to the pan and rolling back and forth until the egg is used up. Remove from the pan and let cool for a few minutes before slicing. Trim the end if you like. The shape may not look perfect since we used a round pan, but you can't really tell when you slice the tamagoyaki. Sometimes I make a really big tamagoyaki using a round pan when serving a crowd. I hope you try this for breakfast or lunch soon.